Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, if you are yet to subscribe, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. So once I drop an update, instantly you will get the update and you will not miss out on any single update. Now let's see what we will be expecting for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. I'll make sure I'm going to do an in-depth analysis for you guys so you will fully understand what Swiss franc JPY is actually doing. Now, if you take a look at Swiss franc JPY, you will clearly see that we are very much in an uptrend move. Market is in an uptrend move, especially when you go to your weekly time frame. You can clearly see that this is an uptrend move, right? So this is it here. This is the impulsive move. Within this impulsive move, if you are to go down to either your forward time frame or your daily time frame, you would see a series of higher high and an higher low, which markets was rallying up. Then comes the corrective phase. Within this corrective phase, there's a series of lower low and a lower high. The market was pulling back. Then we had this impulsive phase, which is a series of higher high and an higher low, which markets eventually pushed up. You will see the series of higher high and an higher low, which is on your daily time frame and your forward time frame if you see it. Then here comes the corrective phase, which is a series of lower low and lower high, lower low and a lower high. Yeah, then this comes the impulsive phase, which is a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Then here comes the pullback phase, right, which is a series of lower low and a lower high. Here comes the impulsive phase, which is a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Then here comes the pullback phase, and then here comes the impulsive phase again. So if you have to go to this your impulsive phase, if you go down to your forward time frame and your 1 hour and your daily time frame, you will see very clear that market was very strong to the upside, which was a very strong bullish move. So Euro JPY was a very strong bullish move. So last week we opened and closed bullish on last week, let's say last week, we opened and closed bullish on our Euro JPY. Now this last week that just finished, which is the week that just finished, which is also last week, markets opened and closed bullish on our Euro JPY. Now this week that we are predicting for on Euro JPY, we will be expecting market to open and close bullish. So basically this week our Euro JPY should be giving us a bullish move. So we are expecting a bullish move this week on Euro JPY. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So what can you see on this daily time frame? We are also in an uptrend move. Remember, weekly time frame we are in an uptrend move. Daily time frame we are also in an uptrend move. So if this is our high, here comes the higher low. This is the higher high. Here comes the higher low. Here is the higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? This is also our higher high. So with what market has done right here, which has given us an higher high on our daily time frame, we should be expecting market to give us a pullback that will form an higher low. So a pullback that will form an higher low is what we should be expecting next on our Euro JPY. So guys, expect your pullback that will form in an higher low on our Euro JPY. So once we get that pullback that forms an higher low, then we can now expect another bullish move that will equally form a new higher high. So guys, this week first we are expecting a pullback. Do not hop in on for the buy, guys, because this bullish move has already been made. The buy have already been made. So what next market will be doing is a pullback, and that pullback we should be expecting to level 183 and possible to a level of 182, but I think it is much more visible to a level of 183, right? Once you can give us that pullback to level of 183, guys, then wait for an update from me where we'll be looking for our buy setup around here. So once we get the buy setup, I'm also going to give you guys an update and I will let you guys know so you can go ahead and hop in for your buy that will eventually push up and give us a new higher high. So guys, this week we are going bullish on EURJPY. So this week we will be expecting a bullish move on EURJPY. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.